Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe channel guys. If you want to join my Telegram group guys, join now my Telegram group guys. Link is available in video description guys. Solar SXP coin recently pumping very well, 0.61%. Is the current price of SXP coin guys. I give a signal about SXP on my Telegram group guys. So if you want to join my Telegram group guys, join my Telegram group guys right now. The link is available in video description for unlimited crypto signals guys. 12.57% gains in the last 24 hours guys. So my Telegram members are making money from SXP guys. A lot of people asking about the prediction of SXP, that what's the possibilities for SXP in the future in case it will pump or dump guys. So currently guys, I think it's not on a top price of SXP coin guys. Maybe for a little bit it will dump guys, and after short dump again the price will pump guys. So I think if you're in a good profit, so put your stop loss in profit or book your profit from SXP coin guys, because as I told you that now possibilities for SXP that for a little bit it will dump guys. So be safe from loss and book your profit guys. Thanks for watching guys. For more updates, stay connected on Telegram.